Introducing the all-new 2026 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive SuperCrew, a truck built with the power and versatility required for life in the Pacific Northwest. This model features a 145-inch wheelbase and is powered by the legendary 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, paired with a smooth-shifting electronic 10-speed automatic transmission. It is finished in a clean Oxford white exterior that is perfectly paired with a black sport cloth interior. As part of the XLT series with the 301A equipment group, this vehicle offers a comprehensive suite of features designed for both work and play. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Picture yourself heading out for a morning of fishing or hiking along the scenic Vedder River. This F-150 is the perfect companion for those Fraser Valley adventures. The exterior is upgraded with the XLT Black Appearance Package, which includes 18-inch gloss black wheels that provide a bold contrast to the Oxford white paint. The truck bed is ready for anything you throw at it, thanks to the factory-installed Tough Bed Spray-In Bedliner that protects the high-strength steel frame from scratches and corrosion. Inside the cabin, you will find a sophisticated environment centered around a 12-inch center display and a 12-inch digital cluster display, providing all the information you need at a glance. Connectivity is seamless with the onboard 5G modem and Sync 4 with AppLink, allowing you to stay in touch with your business or family while on the move. For those who frequently tow, the tow and haul package is a standout feature, including an integrated trailer brake controller and trailer sway control to ensure your cargo stays secure. A common question we receive from our customers is how the truck handles difficult terrain and heavy loads. According to the specifications, this F-150 is equipped with a 3.55 electronic locking axle and 275/65 black sidewall all-terrain tires, providing the traction and stability needed for off-road paths or slippery boat ramps. Safety is built into every journey with the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping system, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. The advanced track with roll stability control and the 7,100-pound gross vehicle weight rating package ensure that you have the capability and peace of mind for any task. From the convenience of the power 8-way driver seat to the visibility provided by the LED reflector headlamps and LED fog lamps, every detail of this truck is designed to enhance your driving experience.
MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.